The mitt you wash your car with is the single most contact your paint gets during any detail, and the wrong one is putting swirls in your clear coat every single time. I tested 7 wash mitts from Amazon, Microfiber versus Chenille, to find the safest and most effective option. Here's the ranking. The first on the list is the Chemical Guys Microfiber Wash Mitt. This oversized 11 by 12 inch mitt combines soft chenille and microfiber construction. The Mega Soft and ultra absorbent design holds tons of soapy suds for extended washing. The bright turquoise color helps you see dirt and debris during the wash process. The design minimizes scratches and swirls while removing grime effectively. The larger size can be awkward to handle for some detailers. Still, the absorbent capacity and gentle touch make it excellent for thorough washing. For those wanting a supersized mitt, Chemical Guy's Big Noodle is an ideal choice. At number 2, we have the Mkobon Chenille Microfiber Car Wash Mitt. This 3-pack offers 3 7 by 9.6 inch mitts in an affordable bundle. The double-sided design provides 2 textures for different cleaning tasks. Both sides feature chenille and microfiber blends that are scratch-free and lint-free. The highly absorbent construction handles soap and water effectively. The smaller individual size means less coverage per pass. However, having 3 mitts means backups and different options for various jobs. For budget-conscious detailers wanting multiple options, Mkobon 3-pack is a practical choice. At number 3, we have the BOLTRY Car Wash Mitt. This single mitt combines microfiber strips and chenille construction for detailed cleaning. The design targets your car's delicate exterior while removing dirt deeply. The elastic cuff keeps the mitt secure during washing without restricting hand movement. The microfiber and chenille blend provides both absorbency and safety. The single mitt format means you need backups for multiple washes. Still, the specialized construction offers professional quality results. For detail-focused cleaners, BOLTRY is a solid choice. At number 4, we have the Toulite Car Wash Mitt. This bulk 16-piece pack offers exceptional value with mitts in bright colors. The 5.91 by 9.06 inch size balances coverage with maneuverability. The double-sided design provides different textures for wash and drying applications. Chenille and microfiber construction prevents scratching and lint shedding. The bulk quantity means significant storage space requirements. However, having multiple mitts eliminates the need for frequent washing between passes. For high-volume detailers, Toulite 16-pack is an economical choice. At number 5, we have the QMX Car Wash Mitt Microfiber Scratch Free. This 2-pack features an innovative 5-finger design that conforms to your hand. The thickened inside coating provides swirl-free finishing on delicate finishes. The premium chenille and microfiber blend offers both softness and absorbency. The 5-finger design lets you reach tight spots and corners more easily. The specialized design may feel unusual during first use. Still, the precise hand control and swirl-free coating justify trying it. For detailers wanting targeted control, QMX 5-finger is an excellent choice. At number 6, we have the Wuyaoyao 2-piece Car Wash Mitt. This 2-pack includes 10.14 by 7.12 inch mitts in dark purple color. The chenille and microfiber construction is scratch-free and lint-free. The double-sided design provides different textures for various washing tasks. The highly absorbent blend handles soapy water effectively throughout the wash. The limited brand recognition means fewer product reviews available. Still, the competitive pricing and double-sided functionality make it practical. For budget-conscious detailers, Wuyaoyao 2-pack is a reliable choice. The last one on our list is the ChihutownPremium Chenille Microfiber Car Wash Glove. This 5-pack offers multiple options in blue, green, purple, and yellow colors. The double-sided construction features scratch-free chenille and microfiber blends. Both sides work for washing and waxing your vehicle effectively. The soft construction prevents damage to delicate finishes during cleaning. The 8.5 by 6 inch size works better for smaller or more detailed areas. Still, the pack size and double-sided utility make it excellent for comprehensive detailing. For detailers wanting multiple specialized tools, Chihutown 5-pack is a practical choice. That is it for the best wash mitts on the market for this year.